Good morning, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and we're out here looking at in the nursery again at number 1007 to see if that queen cell had hatched. We're probably going to put not a premier. Anyway, put a thing up there to where you can just mash one button and see everything about this hive. But I can't remember. But anyway, we're going to look at this one now, and see if our queen cell is hatched or if she's any closer. I know she's closer, one way or the other. And she may not even hatch. But today's the 16th. So it's been a couple of days. We didn't look at them yesterday because it was too hot. Right now it's, see what it is right now. It's 10 minutes to 9. Weather for Hopkins says it is 80 degrees, sunny, and it feels like 84. So, we got out here before the sun caught them trees is what we did. They're building that little hole underneath there again, between these two frames. We don't want them there, we don't want them there. We don't want you there. We don't want no cone underneath the feeder dish. But until this queen hatches and we pull these frames together, that's what they're going to do. They're still working hard on that one. Right. Let's separate these two again and see what we got. They got a little piece of stick right here. Well, okay. That was just water anyhow. We'll put some more water in there, probably some more food. Depends on this queen. If we can separate. There we go. They're over here eating their pollen patty. This one here has nectar, honey. This one here has honey and nectar. And they have room for the queen to lay. Put it back in this way. Yes, I had it turned around wrong the first time. Okay, now let's see the queen cell. This is where the queen cell was that we put in between the two frames. She's not there anymore, so she's hatched, or else they cut it down because it was bad. But we can get rid of it now and pull these two frames together. There's another queen cell over here, another one there, another one there. Like they made their own queen cell. I don't know if there's anything.
Now we're recording. People, this is Jim and me. We're out at the nursery. This is Jim's house. That's just.
I've told y'all that my phone is crazy, right?
We're checking.
It comes on and plays what it wants to when it wants to play. That was when Jim and I was out. Jim Christmas and I was out at the nursery. We were checking some of his hives. Okay, there's nothing in any of these queen cells here. This is queen cup, this queen cup, queen cup. To start with, they didn't have any eggs to make these with. This late in the date. So we can remove them. Let's see what we got here as far as the queen. I hope we find it. And if we don't, we'll just come back later and look. But this is queen cell that we cut off and we stuck in here. And right here's where she came from. Right there's where she came from. Or that there's where her cell was at anyway. So let's see if we find her now. This one here has nectar. Let's see a queen on that one. Bottom is fairly clean. This has a little nectar on it. That was on the wall side, but that's them on that side. It has some nectar. There's nectar all in here, which is the drone cells, and there's nectar in here. Put that one back in there. We're going to take this one. Come on. This is the one that had the queen cell on it. We're going to look at it again. The bees are doing a little dancing, so they found something somewhere. Or they got something they want to talk about. No queen. This one here has the queen cells. So we're going to give them a couple of days. We'll come back and check them again. And we'll go from there. We'll put them another queen cell in there or put them another frame of bees in there. But you notice they're real calm. But my bees are calm and gentle anyway, but they say they're supposed to be a little bit more active if they don't have a queen. Not making any noises. Young queen hides real good though. Now that we don't have a queen, what we're going to do is piece of pine straw here. We're going to get rid of it. We're going to put this back on the outside there, and we're going to take this one that they're working on but not real sure about. We're going to redate it. Six, 10. And we're going to stick it here. Bees don't like to have spacing in between. Y'all saw what they were doing here to the feeder thing. And they were building that foundation down underneath the feeder. And that's because there was space in between here. They don't like space in between their frames. So we're going to stick that in there and let them build it out. We'll have to bring them some more pollen. We're going to give them some more water here. Yeah, y'all remember I just brought the water hose over before. There you go. But that's that. Now we know where we're at though. And if we have to, we'll put another queen cell in there. Or probably put a queen cell in there. But we'll check them, not tomorrow, but the next day. And we'll keep you informed on what we're doing here. Y'all have a wonderful day. Give us a comment, thumbs up, subscribe, share, and have a great day. Bye.